come over here to the objects toolbar, right there underneath of your pointer, you had things that add sprite. I'm gonna left click on it, and from cursor position, add new layer. I'm gonna click OK. When I first did it and I saw that, I was like, well, where's my sprite? Well, what I came to realize later on is you have to come up here and you have to draw it on your screen just like you would if you were using a ellipse or a rectangle or something, or a free shape. So that's how you make your sprite, and then you just add whatever you want and you stick it inside of your sprite. Well, I mean, you gotta open your sprite tab to do it, or double click on it, one or the other. So what I did is I left clicked on it, and I just come up here and add my objects to it. And I can just take my thing and drag it in there. Okay, I can take that one and drag it in there, and I can take that one and drag it in there, and I got all of those three things inside of my sprite. You can make that sprite any size you want. You can just drag it from there, or I can come over here to the properties window. I can just come over here and set the same size as the parent has. So this is just like making a sprite when you already have the three objects on it, and then you select it and convert it to a sprite. The only thing is that you're making a sprite from the get-go, and then you're adding your objects to your sprite.